Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rukia Laltia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these tasty, soft, mini diamond donuts known as Mitai in Swahili. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. In a large bowl, you start by adding 2 cups of plain flour, sprinkle a bit of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast, which is approximately to 7 gram. Mix all the dry ingredients very well. Then afterwards you're going to add 1 teaspoon of blueberry. This is to add an extra amazing taste to these donuts and to make your dough more softer. Continue mixing. Lastly, you're going to pour some warm water gradually, or you can use some warm milk. Pour the water gradually while mixing until you get a dough. Once you get a dough, knead that dough thoroughly until it becomes softer. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of blueberry to make my dough more softer. And once ready, my dough is ready and it's high time to shape these mini diamond donuts, or you can shape them with any shape that you desire. Sprinkle a bit of flour on top and roll out the dough into a medium thin circle. The circle shouldn't be super thin, it has to be in between like so. Then cut or shape your mini donut with the shape as you desire. Personally, I took the diamond as you can see in the video. Then cover the mitai and let them to rise for approximately 20 or 30 minutes or more. It's gonna depend with your yeast. And after 30 minutes, my mitai have double size and it's high time to deep fry them. Dip your mitai and make sure that the oil is not super hot so that the mitais can able to cook inside and to get a nice golden brown color. Flip the mitai constantly so that the mitais can have a nicely even color like so. And once ready, remove them from the oil and place them aside. And it's high time to make our syrup. With syrup, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, a bit of cardamom powder and a half a cup of water. Let the syrup to cook until it becomes sticky like so. And once sticky, it's high time to crystallize our mitai. Remove the syrup from the pot because we're going to use this large pot to crystallize our donut. You're going to add the syrup. I didn't add the whole syrup because it's going to be too sugary. But if you're fond of sugar, just go ahead and use the whole syrup. Then you're going to flip the mitais or the donuts while placing them back on the fire, as you can able to see in the video, until the syrup and the donut are nicely crystallized like so. Once ready, you're going to place them in a bowl. Serve your donut on a plate. I'm going to cut 1 donut so you can able to see how super soft these mini donuts are. Oh my goodness, like they slap so hard. They were so tasty. Serve with some milk or some hot tea and enjoy your mini donut or your mitai. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia. And see you next time. Bye bye.